really don't know, guys, if you can see this. Get these two ready. Positive, negative. And this is the first time I'm doing this, okay? So bear with me. Fans wire. As you see here, the black one, it says positive. Which is the positive of this? It's the red one. So we're gonna put the red one with the black one. I know it's freaking weird. You know, I don't know why they do that. It's just because I think it's a 12-volt thing, maybe. I don't know. So I'm gonna cap these very tight. Because I'm not an electrician, but I know that this needs to be kept tight. And then I'm gonna put that white one there. So here we go. I'm anxious to have these fans working. It would help so much to work in the van. So I got my Delta in here today. And you know what? I should have tested those. Wow. I need some black tape. I can still see the wires there. That's not good. The red with the black of the fan, and the white of the fan to the black. Hi guys, here's my ceiling almost done. So, and I secured my wiring for the fans. Now I need to on this side get my wiring for solar panels. So it's gonna be today or tomorrow, but I'm gonna finish the ceiling today. Wires to pass because I want 2 lamps on the top of my sofa. So anyways, we'll check it out with you a little later. Just wanted to show you what I did yesterday. Now I'm going to work a little bit more, and this needs to be fixed for sure after I put the wood, because we're gonna really anchor it to the ceiling straight. Yeah, to make it straight, we need to a sort of hook so it lifts the thing up. So that's what we're gonna do today also. So anyways, I'm gonna leave you on that, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do a little later. Okay, that was not easy to do that ceiling, but we did it almost. I am trying to put this piece here in there. It fits good. So very hard to do all these pieces, and this I'm gonna have to put like a nice something to cover all this joint stuff. But look, it's pretty okay. I am missing a little couple of planks here because I have 2 lamps that are coming here and here, and then past the wire, and then past the wire in here. Look, it's not bad, you know, like it's a mess, isn't it? But it's getting there, so I'm happy. All right, stay cool, stay cool, stay good. All right, can be. So this is a wire that I will put and put. And I'm gonna put all my lights and fans and stuff that's very light in that thing. It has fuses, so you know, you can't go wrong with that, I guess. All right, so I need to do connectors with those wires, and it's not gonna be that bad, you know, like. So I will do a couple of these, and I will come back to you when it's all like ready to go in. Okay. Hi you guys. Yesterday my phone was dead. I couldn't tape anything, so I'm sorry about that. I installed some, as you see, these little hooks to help my cabinets to stay up. I need to finish all this, you know, like to glue all this, and I'm going to install here a piece of wood to and I did the same on this side, you know, like all these hooks. So hopefully it's very solid, you know, but still, it's not the best. Like I told you, don't ever buy anything from the store to try to put it in another. I did install my fans cover. My little lamps are installed. They're a little wobbly here now because I didn't finish. And the side door here, anyways, it's done with wood. All right, so I'm almost done here. You know, I'm almost like ready to put my stuff in. And what I wanted to show you is what I did with the solar. Did my hole in on the roof, and my solar, I tested them. It says 5 something amps. Oh. I have no idea what that means, but there's some power coming in, and it was like no sun at all, so it should be fine. I'm in the okay, don't laugh, but this is what I did. I put some tape, you know, that big tape for RVs, and then I put some sealant on it. I don't want it to vibrate, you know, to go ta 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 ta. So I sealed it and taped it everywhere. So these are the solar panels. You see, I installed them with some tape and some sealant too here, and it didn't move. I mean, this is solid. So I will check them though, you know, regularly to see if they're fine, because you know, I didn't want to put any holes, but I don't know. But they're pretty solid, and I will put a safety cord, you know, just in case they fly away, so they won't kill anybody. That's what I did today. And yesterday I did also connect my 2 fans, make Anderson connections. I'm anxious to see if my little connections that I made are gonna be good. I hope to see my little connections here that are going into, I'm gonna show it to you. See? So it's gotta be this way. Okay, I will probably do it up here and use those wires that I cut way too long, but I thought I would put it down here, but I'm not sure, so I'll keep the wires as long as this, and I'll decide later where I'm going to put this, because this needs to be close to my power station, which is the EF Delta. You know, I'm into details now. I got to be knowing what I'm going to do here, what I'm going to do there, what I'm going to do to block these holes here. I might use them to actually store stuff, you know, but for now I don't know. So I need to tweak certain things, but it's fine. Pretty much ready to put the furniture in and start my plumbing. Oh, like I told you, I was up to these wires here, and I'm gonna do the connectors. Yeah, plug it into my station to see if the amps are coming in properly, but I think it will be tomorrow. Yeah, it's a mess here, I'm sorry. I think I'm good here, like I told you about everything actually, and I'm pretty much ready to move my stuff in and get ready, put my baskets here and clothes and my bed right here. So that's it for today, I guess. Almost ready. My condo is sold, but she's now a friend, and she allowed me to stay until my van is ready. So I'm so happy about that, because I thought it would be the end of August, but it's going well. If everything works, you know, if the solar panels are right, if nothing wrong with them, and everything electric and plumbing is right, I should be getting out of here in a week, hopefully. Okay, so I will let you know. But for now, I just say good night. Be happy. This world is wonderful. I'll see you. Okay? Bye-bye. Love you.